Hello guys, in this video I am going to tell you about the variables in C language. So variables are the entity that can change its value. To understand variable, let us consider this particular example that we used to solve in our mathematics. And the problem is that if it is given that the present age of a father is double the age of the son, and if the present age of a son is 35, then determine the age of the father after 3 years. Now, in mathematics, to solve this type of a question, the first step that we used to do is that we assume that the age of the father, let it be x. So we represent the age of a father with x, and we also represent the age of a son by y. After that, as per the instruction given in the question, we used to write equation as x is equals to 2y, because it is given in the question that the age of a father is double the age of the son. So we got this equation, and also it is given in the question that age is 35, son age is 35. So we used to put this thing in the equation and we get 70, right? So the value of x, or the value of age of the father, it is 70. Now we need to determine, as per the question, we need to determine the age of father after 3 years, right? So after 3 years, simply to get the age, we will do x plus 3, and the value of x, since it is 70, so we add 3 to it, we get 73. So now over here you can note that the age of the value of x, in the starting it was 70 and now it is 73. So the value of x is changing, and hence we can say that x is a variable. Similarly, suppose if in another question, if it is given that the present age of a son, if it is 30, okay, so we can use this same formula, right? So we can say that y can also have different value. So y is also a variable. Simply we can say that if we want to hold the value of any constant, then we can hold that value in a variable. Okay, so these are known as variables. Whenever we declare the variables, like over here I declared the name of the variable as x and y. Now if I want to declare the variable name, then there are some rules, and the rules are this: that a variable name can contain only alphabets, both uppercase and the lowercase are allowed. It can have a digits and it can have underscore. Apart from this, we cannot use any other character. Any other character means we cannot use this star, we cannot use ampersand, we cannot use plus, minus, we cannot use and other special character. We can use only alphabets, digits and underscore. And another criteria is that the first letter of a variable should be either a letter or an underscore. Means if we declare something like 8 num, this is invalid variable name, but num 8, it is valid. We can have underscore num without without space. So this is valid. So whenever we want to write a variable name, we need to follow this criteria, and we should give a name to the variable that also gives the meaning or the purpose of the variable or the type of a value that it is holding. For example, if I am going to store the marks, then I should keep the name as marks or mark physics. If I am creating the variable to hold the marks of the physics, okay, and so on. So with this I end this video over here. and in the next video I am going to tell you about the keywords. So thank you and stay tuned with me, and do share this video with your friends and colleagues. Thank you.